Cooking with the Cajun. Green bean casserole with the Cajun Italian twist. We got some fresh green beans. We cut the tips off. We're going to boil them, get them ready to put in the oven. So, we cooked down our green beans and all of our ingredients and fixings and Cajun style, and now it's time to put the cheese on top. So we're going to go ahead and spread this Parmesan shredded cheese on the top of it before we put it in the oven. And I've had some input from all my Cajun and non-Cajun friends to help me out on this green bean casserole all through the evening. So this has got a touch of everybody into it. And it's looking good so far. And I'm going to put in the video, you're going to see the recipe, and I'll put it down below when I post it online so everybody gets to see it. I mean, it's going to be good. So Mom used to cook the green bean casserole, and bless her heart, may she rest in peace. I didn't have a clue how she did it, so last night I tried it out and it didn't work too good. So we had to go to the drawing board and reach out, call a friend, and here we are. So, and Bella lent a hand. She cleans up everything as it falls on the floor, saved me the trouble. So I can tell you, I got a little bit of cayenne pepper in it. I got some Parmesan shredded cheese. I got some parsley. Got some artichokes, some green beans, some Italian style breadcrumbs, some garlic, some onions, and I put this. You can see it right here. Some garlic, extra virgin olive oil from Delano. So here we go. So now we have our green bean casserole Cajun style inside of our Emerald Lagasse air fryer oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes. It just preheated and started counting down, so we have just over 29 minutes to go. See you in 29 minutes. Just wanted to check back in with y'all. We've got just under 24 minutes left now. Oh, it's looking good. Look at that, cheese is starting to melt. Look at that, how good it looks. Well, we're right down to 20 minutes left. Let's take a look. it's looking good. Look at that brown. It's getting there. I can't wait. See y'all in 20 more minutes. We got just under 15 minutes left. Let me bring some light in here. And look how good that looks. 10 minutes left. Just wanted to check in, let y'all see what it looks like. Not much more to go. Look at that, how brown and crisp it looks. Well, here we go. It's done. Green bean casserole, Cajun style. Green bean casserole, Cajun style. Oh, that looks good. Look at that artichoke right there. Some green beans, all the seasons. That looks good. Well, we'll see y'all later. I'm gonna eat me some. Right now.